Hi guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this flame or fire effect in Photoshop. It's super easy, so let's get started. First, right-click on your main image layer and select Duplicate Layer. Then press OK. Now create a new layer and select the Curvature Pen tool. Use the Curvature Pen tool to draw a path where you want the flame to appear. You can create any shape or direction you like. Once your path is ready, go to Filter Render Flame. Now you'll see several options for customizing the flame. You can adjust the flame settings, set the value around 76, and choose different flame types, such as one flame, multiple flames, or candlelight. In multiple flame selection, Disable option will appear, and you can also experiment with the different flame variations and angles to get a more interesting result. For this effect, I'm selecting one flame along path. Once you're happy with the flame, press OK. Photoshop will automatically generate the flame along the path you created. Now right-click on the path and select Delete Path. And that's it. Here's the before and here's the after. That's how you can create a realistic flame or fire effect in Photoshop using the flame filter.